We're going to take another look at using two circle Venn diagrams to separate some information from what we were given. So first one, we're asked to draw a Venn diagram to organize information, and then the rest of the information will probably just fall into place. So the first thing we'll do is we'll put a nice little box around our two circles to indicate the universe or anyone outside. Okay, let's look for our two groups. We've got some that are taking English class and some going to math. So we label these one math, one English. Any English students will be inside the green circle, math students will be inside the red circle. And again, as we work these, where we want to start is from the inside out, work from the middle out. The middle is going to be the region that contains the students who are taking both classes. So that's the first thing we look for. There are 7 in both classes. So that means that there's 7 students represented in this region. They're taking math and English. We go to the next one. We've got 34 that are taking math. So 34 total are in the red circle, but we've already counted 7 of them. So we'll do a little scratch work over here. 34. Subtract off the 7 we've already counted, and we end up with 27. So that's what goes there. That's taken care of. The English, there's 21. Again, in the green circle, there are a total of 21. We've already counted the 7. So 21, subtract off the 7 we've already counted. We're going to have 14 that are in this part of the green circle. The next thing to check is that since we've taken care of this piece of information, have we accounted for all 60 students? So let's see how many we've taken care of so far. We've got 14 plus 7 plus 27. And if we add all those together, we get 2148. No, we haven't counted all of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 60 that we have, subtract the 48 that we've accounted for, and find that there are still 12 students left. So those 12 students must not be taking either English or math. So now we've got everything accounted for. Let's see if we can answer the questions. Draw a Venn diagram. Well, yeah, that's what we did. How many students are in either English or math? English or math will be any of these 3 numbers. And so when we were sort of doing our check, we were getting that information right here. And there's our answer, 48. How many students are not in English? Well, there's 21 here. So the ones that are not in English are these 27, but also these 12 are not in an English class. So to answer this question, we're going to have to go and do 27 plus 12, and that will give us 39. So 39 here. Finally, how many students are in English and not in math? English. Oh, but not these 7. These 7 are in math, so it's just these 14. So we've taken care of this calculation when we were constructing the Venn diagram. And that's our way of being able to use a Venn diagram to break out information, pieces of information that were not directly given to us, so we can answer other questions.